In today's fast-paced technology-driven market, traditional resumes and job descriptions are no longer effective in aligning top talent to business objectives. Companies need a more accurate and efficient way to evaluate human capacity and ensure that their teams are focused on market alignment rather than just skill sets. That's where TeamStation by Framework Science comes in, revolutionizing the way businesses approach talent management with human-centered AI. Traditional resumes and job descriptions often fail to capture the full spectrum of an individual's skills and potential. They tend to focus on specific qualifications and experiences, which may not accurately reflect a candidate's ability to contribute to a company's strategic goals. Moreover, these methods are time-consuming and often lead to mismatches between talent and business objectives. TeamStation AI is a groundbreaking platform that leverages artificial intelligence to analyze and predict human capacity patterns. By evaluating data from over 10,000+ technical interviews, the platform generates core profile data points that are then matched to business objectives for more accurate talent alignment. Additionally, the AI system analyzes job descriptions and online profiles from sources like GitHub, GitLab, and LinkedIn to identify correlations and eliminate anomalies in the hiring process. Benefits of TeamStation: efficiency and effectiveness. TeamStation AI streamlines the hiring process, ensuring that companies can quickly and accurately identify the best talent for their needs. Accurate alignment. The platform deeply analyzes job descriptions, company goals, objectives, technologies, and culture to match talent accurately and quickly with your organization's needs. Time and cost saving. TeamStation drastically reduces the time and cost associated with traditional nearshore hiring methods. Human-centered AI, the backbone of TeamStation AI. Identify the best talent. The system detects correlations and eliminates anomalies in the hiring process, ensuring only the best fit for the role. Align talent with business objectives. The platform focuses on aligning talent with company goals and strategies, creating a culture where employees feel valued and engaged. Develop critical skills. TeamStation supports talent skill development that is strategically aligned with corporate and personal goals, producing incredible outcomes. At the end of the day, TeamStation is transforming the way businesses build nearshore technical operations by harnessing the power of human-centered AI.